On the road today, doing a tow test with a black truck. Got it all set up here. Oops, left my lights on. Got a speedometer app on the phone, so I'm going to track the mileage as close as I can. Really see what this thing gets. It'll be while towing, so you know it's only half accurate. But anyway, let's see what we can do. So we got her filled up right to the top there, right to the vent line. So we'll be able to accurately duplicate that. Some of that a little bit later. So far my electric fans have cycled once, going up a long grade back there. So yeah, having fans in the back, having a radiator in the back, not the worst idea ever, not the best, but yeah, so just keep going. Stop for a quick pee break and check everything out. Passenger side rear hub is a little bit warmer than all the other ones, so I'm going to keep an eye on that. Motor looks great. Transfer case is leaking, which we knew because of that crack that it has, because it's the aluminum GM one temporary case that we put in. So probably have to add more fluid when I get to the place I'm going, and just keep it full. Made it out here to the location where I've been pulling out rigs. I got 2 left in this row, a few more to get. So anyway, we'll get loaded up. So I'm all loaded up, down the road a little bit. I'd stopped at ISPRO earlier in the day because they're in Portland. My way through, picked up a new thermocouple for my pyrometer, so hopefully that fixes my erratic EGTs. And then I'm putting some more fluid in the transfer case. Got me a fancy pump, so we're going to pump some more ATF into that 263 and start making our way home. Back on the road. Everything's good. Filling up. So I had a problem with my odometer app. Somehow it shut off partway through, so I'm going to use the GPS mileage from my maps and try and get close, but there was a lot of side roads and stuff that I don't think it picked up, but we'll see what happens. So roughly with my maps, I went 240 miles. I just put 13.8 in it. So if you do the math, that is 17.4 miles to the gallon. So I'm pretty stoked with that. I mean, the trailer empty weighs about 3,500 pounds. I've got another 5,000 on it now with the Travelette, maybe 6 because it's full of shit. So yeah, stop and go city driving. It probably would have been closer to 19 had I got to stay on the highway the whole time, but tons of stop and go and you know, little stuff like that. So anyway, getting dark, gonna get home. So thanks for watching.